Hey y'all, and welcome to the channel, Teresa and Rene. So, what's new this time? Hey y'all, so your girl has been doing a little shopping. So I've been doing a lot of shopping actually. So I have a haul from Ulta, Sephora, some stuff from TJ Maxx I picked up, and a few other places. So we're gonna do like beauty, skincare, things like that, and I'll come back later and do like a clothing try on haul. That is my plan. Okay, so let's go to TJ Maxx first. Okay, I love TJ Maxx for getting my facial wipes. I use these for to clean my brushes when I finish doing my makeup. I use them, to take my makeup off at night sometimes. So this is a rose water infused to help refresh and rejuvenate skin. Yeah, I'll probably use this one on my face more. So this is the rose water one. Here is the retinol cleansing wipes here. And these are only $4 a pack. If you don't buy your wipes from TJ Maxx and Marshalls, you are seriously missing out. They have some really, really good wipes. Let me tell you, y'all know that TJ Maxx and Marshalls have like the brand name items. But the problem is you have to find some that is unopened, which can be a challenge sometimes. So from Too Faced, I actually got this melted latex, and this is in Twilight Zone. So that's what that one looks like. And these are the liquid high shine lipstick. I picked up the one in Hot Mess. And this one is the melted chocolate liquefied lip wear lipstick. So this one is the lipstick. So, and they were only $6 a piece out of there. So that's a great deal. Also, if you are looking for nets and things like that and you don't purchase them from there, you are seriously missing out because you can find some great buys. This was only $6, and this is the Goji Power, a delicious blend of fruit, nuts, and seeds. So yeah, pick that up. And from Ulta, so I decided to pick up this Revolution palette. I have been seeing this Revolution palette on Ulta, and they have really good reviews. I decided to pick this one up. It's Reloaded, Revolution Reloaded. This is the Neutrals 3, and that's what this looks like. I mean, it is a really, really pretty palette. So I will have to come back and show y'all this. So I'll have to come back and show y'all this and see what I'm working with. But isn't that pretty? Those colors are gorgeous. I decided to pick up these Murphy brushes. And it looks like one is a, girl, I can't see that. Anyway, they are crease brushes. So one is a little smaller and the other one is a little bit bigger. But I want to try out those Murphy brushes and see what they're all about. I got this Morphe lipstick, and the color is, what color is this? Shady. Yeah, Shady. Which is a really, really pretty like nude. I gotta show it to y'all because I can't really describe it, but that's what it looks like there. And I'm gonna do, it reminds me of MAC Hot Chocolate. You probably can't even, you can probably barely see it, but it reminds me of MAC Hot Chocolate on my lips. And I wanted to try it out because I had never tried the Morphe lipsticks to see what it's all about. So we'll see. I decided to pick up, y'all. I hesitated. I've been looking at these forever and changed my mind. But this is the Warrior by Juvia's. And look at the packaging. Isn't that pretty? So I was in there and I looked at it and looked at it and looked at it. And I was like, you know what? Yeah, and for $20, yeah, I decided to pick that up. The packaging is gorgeous on the outside. But the shades, oh my goodness. They are a woman of color, very friendly. Aren't those pretty? I'll have to come on and do a swatch and let y'all check those out. But they are just some really, really pretty shades. So I picked up this Juvia's Place. This is actually a blush. And this is Sephora This is the name of the blush, I guess it is. But yeah, that one there. And I also picked up this. Y'all, let me tell you what's so funny. So I had to go to a party Friday night when I got off work. And I sat there. So I hadn't planned to go, but then I decided to go. So I had to go find me some clothes to wear. So I was trying on some clothes on my lunch break. Yeah, I know, y'all. I went to buy a whole outfit on my lunch break to wear. And I messed around and messed up my eyebrow. So I was like, oh my goodness, my makeup was pretty much perfect, all except for that eyebrow. So I had to go buy an eyebrow pencil. So I was going to get the Anastasia brow wig, so I was looking for it. And the girl was like, hey, why don't you try the Pure? I was like, what? Okay, I've never tried it, never heard of it, but she was like, just give it a try. It's really nice. Yeah, y'all know how they talk to you about that stuff. So I decided to pick this up, and this is the Pure pencil. It says Arch Nemesis, and I'm gonna tell y'all, I really do. It says that it's a 4-in-1 dual enriched brow pencil. I use this pencil, and my first impressions was pretty good, but keep in mind I was actually fixing a brow, so we gotta see what it's gonna be like once I don't have anything on and then apply it. So you get the spoolie here, you take the spoolie off, and you get the, what is this, like that little square, you know, like the shader for you to actually fill in. And then on the other end you actually have the definer, which is really thin, and it reminds me a lot of the it actually reminds me a lot of the Anastasia brow wigs. So it's like, you know, you're getting more bang for your buck. So we'll see how it looks when I actually decide to use it by itself. I'll come back and let y'all know it. Yeah, I'll come back and let y'all know. Now let's see here. So my girl Beauty with Mika, which she always sends me pictures of something. She's always texting me something or something all the time, okay? So she actually hooked your girl up for the Sephora Friends and Family. I appreciate it, girl. Thank you very much. And what I decided to purchase was some skincare products. You know, I'm really big on skincare, really big on skincare, because as you begin to age and things like that, you got to be a little bit more, you know, focused on your skincare, which you really should be focused in your younger years, so that when you begin to age, you know, you won't have a problem, that much of a problem. But anyway, I decided to get the Luna Sleeping Night Oil by Sunday Riley. I've never tried this. I heard really great things about it. She has actually one more oil that I want to pick up at some point, probably when they have the VIB and Rouge sale coming up. I think it's, somebody said it starts November the 1st through the 16th. So I'll pick that up then. And here is the Solo Janeiro. Did I say that right? Janeiro Brazilian Kiss lip butter. I've actually used one of these before, and it is fantabulous. I love it. So that's why I actually repurchased it again. It's really big, as you can tell, for your lips, girl. You can just put that sucker on. So this is my second one. I really do like this one. I also decided to pick up this Laneige water sleeping mask. It has some really good reviews on it, but it's just a night sleeping mask, you know. So before you go to sleep, you know, after you wash your face, skincare, all that kind of stuff, you put this on and you sleep with it, girl. Then I picked up, what is this? Oh, the Laura Mercier translucent powder. And this is my first time actually trying this powder, but I hear so much about it that I decided to give it a whirl. Let's see what all the woo-ha is about, and I will let you know my thoughts later. Did I need it? No, but you know, it was 20% off, so it was a great time to actually try it out. I got this Laneige, what is this? Laneige eye sleeping mask. So along with the facial sleeping mask, I decided to get the eye sleeping mask. So I've heard really great things about, you know, this brand, this line here. I'll come on and let you know my thoughts after I use it. And let's see what I got next. Up next is this Laneige. I know y'all, I went Laneige crazy, but this is the sleeping mask for your lips. Now, I have this one, and I have actually used it. I think I'm probably a little over halfway full. no, empty, a little over halfway empty. And so I decided to pick this up because it actually has the big one here, and it has 3 other trial sizes in different flavors. So I'm really, really excited to try this out. And I think I'm going to actually get probably a few of these for Christmas gifts, because I really like this for your lips. I don't just use it, girl, to sleep. I use it anytime. I actually keep it in my purse and just put it on. What I like about it, I don't have to dig my finger in there, because they actually give you this little lip. It's like it's got like a little plastic end on it. It's like a rubbery end on the end that actually helps you to dig in, scoop out the product, you know, so you won't actually have to keep putting your fingers in it. So I love that much about it. I went to Sally's. It's a Sally's that is going actually out of sale, so everything in there was 50% off. So I got this Silk Elements Shea Butter. It was $2.39 and 50% off of that. So they had really almost emptied at Sally's, because y'all know your girl would have bought a whole lot more, but just about everything was going out of there. And I got the Mael Organics Shampoo treatment. I'll probably use that tonight, because I'm gonna actually have to wash my hair tonight. So the Mongolia oil pre-treatment, pick that up. I got this pick here that I freaking love. I use this. I actually have one of these, but it was like 89 cents or something like that, and then it's half off. So I needed one for my purse, so now I have one for my purse. And if you've been rocking with me for a while, you know when it comes to nails, when I do my own nails, I have to have this nail product here. And I use this all the time. This is the Gelius, this is the what do you call it? The base coat. This stuff is fabulous, and it is like a gel, but it does really good for your nails. And I like it a lot. So I purchased this over and over and over again. I got 3 of them because, like I said, everything was 50% off. So I picked those up. And then moving right along to Dollar Tree, y'all. So I went to this Dollar Tree in particular. It's another one, not the one by my house, but it's actually another one that has some really good stuff in it. And from the Dollar Tree, they actually had these Age Refresh Cleansing Facial Wipes, and I picked these up. The only thing, it's only 10 in there, but I definitely wanted to try it out. And for $1, what better way, you know, to try it when it's $1, right? I also got these Bolero. This is my first time ever seeing this product, y'all, ever in a store. So I got these facial wipes here, and it's in vanilla cream, and this is a 30 count pack. They had this really pretty, like, old-fashioned kind of cross that I got. I really like this. So, and it's really heavy, really, really heavy product. And for $1, you can't beat that. It goes with my decor as well. I thought this was so cute. It says shopping fun, and actually it's a bank. I want to say you can hang it on the wall. Of course, I wouldn't hang it on the wall, but how cute is that? Shopping fun, and I'm definitely going to use that because my banks are actually filled up. I really need to take them to the store and cash them out, but I just hadn't gotten around to it yet. I got these little signs here from a Dollar Tree that I was like, yo, for real? This says there is always something to be thankful for. And this one says, home is where love resides, memories are created, friends are always welcome, and laughter never ends. And I think that really describes my home a lot. My husband and I, we keep each other rolling around here sometimes. And then they had these little canvases that I thought were so adorable. This one says, love one another just as I have loved you. John 13:34. And this one says, this one says, begin each day with a grateful heart. Begin each day with a grateful heart. I like that. I don't know where I'm going to put these at yet, but okay, y'all, so that's what I have for right now. That's what's new this time. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. If you haven't subbed yet, hit the sub button, hang out with your girl, and I'll holler back at y'all later.